Welcome to our latest video tutorial on how to turn off Roblox app playback on your Android device. Follow these simple steps to customize your settings and have more control over your Roblox experience. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. This can usually be found in your app drawer or by swiping down and tapping on the gear icon. Next, find and tap on the Apps option in your Settings menu. This will show you a list of all the apps installed on your device. Scroll through the list until you find the Roblox app. Tap on it to open the app settings. Once you're in the Roblox app settings, look for the option that says Appear on top and tap on it. This is where you can control whether or not the Roblox app can play audio in the background. Finally, you'll see a toggle switch for Allow Permission. Simply turn this off to disable the Roblox app playback. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off Roblox app playback on your Android device. Enjoy a more customized and controlled gaming experience. Thanks for watching.